Okay, so this is just a little video on kind of how to modify the macro for the view control menu here. So, and we're going to add in a plan 3D for cross sections option. And so it's just going to be very similar to the plan 3D, except for it's going to be specifically for cross sections. And it's going to be flipped around a little bit. So we're going to go up to the search ribbon, and we'll just type in VBA and open up the VBA manager. And then we'll select the view set macro there at the bottom, assuming that you have that loaded. So we'll select that, and then we'll go up and do an edit. And that'll open the VBA editor. And then you can see the view set down there at the bottom. We can click on those and make those active in the menu over there. And so if we go down to the there's the to view 3D, and so that's the normal plan and 3D one. And we're going to start at the top at the subsection up there, and we're going to go ahead and highlight on down until we get to the end sub command. And so we're going to right click that portion of the macro, and then we can go down to the bottom and we'll go ahead and paste that in there. So we'll do a copy on that, scroll down to the bottom, and so we would go ahead and just go down to the bottom of the file and do a paste, and paste that in there. I'm not going to paste it in because I already have it. I've already pasted it in and modified it, and so now you can see I have a to view 3D, and then I added the 4XS after it, and so that'll be the kind of the name of our subprogram of the macro. And then I went in and kind of took the text from the original one and compared it to the one that I had modified the text. And so on the right hand side you can see what I've modified. I added the 4XS in there, and then on some of the other commands in there, you can see that there are basically the original is looking at view 2, and I've changed that over on the right hand side to view 1. And so as we go down through there, we got 2, and that's going to 1, 2 going to 1. Also added in another 4XS there, and then basically going from 1 to 2, and so basically just switching the view numbers for each one of those. And so that's pretty much what this portion of that's going to be. And so once you get all of those changes made in your copy at the bottom, then we can just go up and do a save on it. And so we'll just go into the Visual Basic and do a save, and you can see where that's located at, or wherever you have yours located at. And so that MVBA file, the view set MVBA, is what you're going to change.